Secretary birds thrive in grasslands and savannas, avoiding forests and dense shrubbery that hinder their hunting. They predominantly hunt on the ground, with reptiles, including small poisonous lizards and snakes, being their primary prey. While they can fly, secretary birds need a running start before taking off. When encountering prey, their long legs allow them to deliver a swift and powerful kick to the head of venomous snakes, preventing them from striking their bodies. In the battle between snakes and eagles, both fiercely attack each other. The fight escalates when the snake bites the eagle in the face mid-air. It looks like the eagle is defeated, but it swiftly recovers and flies away. Weaver birds fiercely protected their teardrop-shaped nest from a determined blue snake. Despite the snake's persistent attempts, it eventually crawled into the nest, searched for food, and left. Upon spotting the approaching cobra, the mother hen swiftly herded her chicks into a corner. She vigorously flapped her wings, leapt, and kicked her legs at the snake, fending off the threat. The mother hen's relentless attacks made it challenging for the snake to approach the vulnerable chicks, despite the pain from her strikes. In the battle against the specialized snake-eating eagle, the snake is defeated and consumed while still alive, with the eagle diligently disassembling its prey. A small but fiercely aggressive bird swiftly defeated a snake. The snake tried to escape as the bird relentlessly targeted its head and eyes. This tiny yet fierce bird rushed to peck the snake's eyes, seeking the quickest route to victory and a meal. Seeing the approaching cobra, the mother hen courageously shielded her chicks in a corner. She fiercely flapped her wings, leaped, and kicked at the snake, keeping it at bay despite her pain. The anaconda, a massive Amazonian python, often crosses paths with the formidable crocodile in their aquatic habitat. When a baby anaconda encounters a giant crocodile, it faces a relentless and forceful attack, but attempts to defend itself. As the iguana laid eggs, it was ambushed by an anaconda. Despite the iguana's initial resistance, it couldn't withstand the anaconda's overwhelming power, making the anaconda the victor in the end. Snake-eating eagles attack from above, targeting the snake's head with sharp talons. They land to hunt, but must beware of snake resistance. Both eagle and snake cautiously approach, but sometimes the snake strikes back, prompting the eagle to retreat swiftly. When confronted with a larger, immature adversary, the water snake struggles to overcome the odds. A flock of different bird species surrounds and attacks it from all sides, inflicting serious eye injuries that severely impair its vision, making the fight seem quite dire. Baby deer are a prize target for wild animals like pythons and hyenas. In a competition for a python's catch, hyenas eventually resort to gnawing both the deer and the python to claim a free meal, as the python concedes and leaves its prey behind. Newly hatched chicks are easy prey for predators like snakes. In the absence of the mother bird, a snake entered the nest, swiftly coiled around, and devoured the helpless baby bird, which had just hatched.